Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll talk about how you can create and add your own bot in Support Buddy Bot. So what is Support Buddy Bot? It helps keep your Telegram chats organized and clutter-free, super useful if you're managing a lot of conversations. Alright, let's dive in. Steps to create your own bot. First, search for Support Buddy Bot on Telegram. 1. Click Start. 2. Tap on Create Support Bot. Now, you'll need to create a bot using BotFather. 3. Go to BotFather, type New Bot. 5. Choose a name for your bot. 6. Then give your bot a username. 7. Once done, copy the API token. Head back to Support Buddy Bot and paste the API token when prompted. And that's it! Your bot has been created. You can now check your bot by clicking on its name and tapping Start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.